second chapter, addition of two-digit numbers. What are two-digit numbers, Nana? Very good. 10 to 99 are called two-digit numbers. 10 is the first two-digit number, 99 is the last two-digit number, and 10 is the smallest two-digit number. 99 is the greatest two-digit number. Here given addition. What do you mean by addition? Yes, very good. We are going to put together given numbers. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. Plus means addition. In the addition, the given numbers are called addends. Addends. What is the result of addition? Result means answer. Result means answer. The answer is called total sum. Okay? C. Plus C is symbol for addition. Plus means we are going to add the given numbers. Those numbers are called addends. The numbers which we are going to add, those numbers are called addends. The result of addition is called total sum. SUM sum. Find the total. Find the sum means we are going to do addition. Find the total. Find the sum means we are going to do addition. 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 Next one. Addition facts. ADDITION. Addition facts. Addition facts. See. When we add 1 to a number, we get the next number of the given number or after number of the given number. Okay? See, number plus 1 or 1 plus number, next number of the given number. See example. Look at the example now. 1 plus 70, how much? 75 plus 1, how much? 1 plus 11, 83 plus 1. See, all the additions have 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. That means next number of the given number. Next means after number. Here given number is 17. 17 after 18. Very good. 1 plus 17 is 18. Next, 75 plus 1. What is the after number of 75? Very good. 76. 1 plus 11. When we add 1 to a number, next number of it, that means 11 after 12. Very good. 83 plus 1. What is the next number of 83? Very good. 84. This concept goes to number plus 1 or 1 plus number. When we add 1 to a number, we get the answer next number of the given number. This is called total. 1 plus 7, the total is, 1 plus 17, the total is 18. 75 plus 1, the sum is 76. Find the total. Find the sum means we are going to do addition. Next addition fact. When 0 is added to a number, the answer does not change. The number itself means the answer is same number. 30 plus 0. 0 plus 45. 64 plus 0. 0 plus 98. Very simple, Nana. 0 means nothing, no value. That's why we get the same number. We add 0 to a number. The answer goes to number itself. Write the same number. 30 plus 0, same number means 13. 0 plus 45, the total is 45. 64 plus 0, the total is 64. 0 plus 98, the total is 98. This is going to the concept of number plus 0 or 0 plus number. Another one. When we add the given numbers in any order, that means up to down or down to up or left to right or right to left, we get the same answer. Look at the examples. 9 plus 3 or 3 plus 9. Count. 9 plus 3, take 3 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12. The total is 12. Now 3 plus 9, take 3 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12. We add 9 to 3. We add 3 to 9. We get the same total. This property is called commutative property in addition. Commutative property in addition. That means we add the given numbers in any order. First number to second number or second number to first number. We get the same total. See, 9 plus 3 or 3 plus 9. We get the same total. We add 3 to 9, 12 only. We add 9 to 3, we get the answer 12 only. This is called commutative property of commutative property in addition. Here the numbers we add up to down or down to up, we get the same answer. Now I show you examples of addition. First we are going to take one digit numbers with grouping, without grouping. See, examples of addition. Already we learned in the previous class. Once again I am going to revise that. Go to next concept. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 8. Observe. 9 plus 6, 13 plus 4, 35 plus 1. First you have to observe all these additions. 4 plus 3, you add in up to down or down to up. 4 fingers. The process goes to first number in the hand, that means take 4 fingers. Second number is 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. The total is 7. Here both are one digit numbers. We get answer also one digit number. Now come to here. First number is 7. Second number is 8. Both are one digit numbers. Take 7 fingers. Come on, take 7 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is a 2-digit number. That's why write like this. 1, 10, 4, 5 ones. 1, 10, 5 ones. Here we are adding 1-digit numbers. We get the total 2-digit number. Now come to this. 9 plus 6. Both are 1-digit numbers. Come on, do this addition, Nana. Come on. Very good. Yes. 9 fingers. Yes. 6 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is the answer? 15. 15 is a 2-digit number. 1, 10 and 5 ones. 1, 10 and 5 ones. See, ones, tens. Ones, tens. Here, this is going to single digit number. Here we are adding single digit numbers. We get 2-digit number. Now come to this. Ones place, tens place. 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4. 13 is a 2-digit number. 4 is a 1-digit number. Adding ones. Adding ones first. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Now what is in the tens place? 1. Bring down 1. Now answer is 70. Total is 70. Come to this addition. Ones place, tens place. Adding ones. 5 plus 1, 6. Number plus 1, 5 after 6. Here tens place having 3. Write 3 in the tens place. Now answer is 36. Another example. example. You have to practice in your rough notes, Nana. Another examples. 43 plus 6. 55 plus 8. 72 plus 23. 48 plus 36. Let us look at the board, all of you. 43 plus 6. Adding ones. These are ones. These are tens. First adding ones. 3 plus 6. Take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. Good. Now this number having tens, but this number not having tens. Then write same tens in the totals place. Now the total is 49. But this addition, don't write like this. If you are writing like this, your addition process is wrong. 43 is 2-digit number. 6 is 1-digit number. Write 6 in the ones place only. Don't write like this. Okay? Come to next one. 55 plus 8. Start from? Yes, very good. Adding ones first. Take 5 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. Right side. Why? 1 digit. Ones place means we write only 1-digit numbers. Those are 1 to 9. But here get after addition we get 2-digit number. This number having 1 10 and 3 ones. 3 ones. 3 write in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. 1 carry to tens place. This 1 carry to right above 5. 1 right above 5 and put a small circle. Now here we having 1 and 5. 1 plus 5 or 5 plus 1, 6. The total is 63. Understood? 5 plus 8 goes to 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. 13 having 1, 10 and 3 ones. That's why 3 write in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. Now 5 plus 1, 6. Now come to here. 72 plus 23. 72 plus 23. Ones, tens. First adding ones. Take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. Next come to tens place. 7 plus 2. Take 7 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you take 2 fingers, 7 after 8, 9. Okay? What is the total, Nana? 95. First adding ones, write in the ones place. Next, tens, adding tens and write in the tens place. Now going to that. 48 plus 36. Both are 2-digit numbers. Ones place, tens place. First adding tens. 8 plus 6 or 6 plus 8. 8 plus 6 or 6 plus 8. Come on. Take 8 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is a 2-digit number. Right side. It has 1, 10 and 4 ones. 4 right in the ones place. 1 carry to tens place. Now put a small circle. That is carry number, no? That's why. Now 1 plus 4 plus 3. Here we have 3 numbers. 1 plus 4, 5. Very good. Take 1 finger. 4 after 5. 5 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Once again. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 in the mind. take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Total is 84. Don't forget to add carried number. Okay? These are 2-digit numbers with grouping, without grouping. Without grouping means like this. With grouping means you get 2-digit numbers. Write ones number in the ones place. Carry over to tens number. So this is without grouping. Okay? Now another examples. Are you understood this concept? Very good, Nan. Super, Nan. Come on, another examples. 5 plus 4 plus 1. 3 plus 8 plus 4. 23 plus 30 plus 45. 72 plus 80, not 72 now, 52. 80 plus 24. Come on, observe. Ready now? 5 plus 4 plus 1. 5 plus 4 plus 1. All are 1-digit numbers. First add first number and second number. First take these two numbers. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. Come on. Take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 2-digit number. We get 2-digit number. Adding 1-digit numbers, the answer is 2-digit number. First adding these two numbers, then go to third number. Understood? Come to this addition. 3 plus 8 plus 4. 3 plus 8 plus 4. Here adding these two numbers fast. Then go to third number. Take 3 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11. 11 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. Yes. 11 after 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is a 2-digit number. 1-digit numbers, answer is 2-digit number. Now come to this addition. 2-digit numbers, 3 lines. First line, second line, third line. These are ones, these are tens. First adding ones. Take 3 fingers. No need to add 0. Go to next number. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 0, 3 only. Yes or no? That's why 3 plus 5, 8. 8 right in the ones place. Now adding tens. Start from here. First adding first number and second number. Take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the total? 98. Understood? First adding ones, write in the ones place. Then go to tens place. Adding tens place numbers. These two numbers first. Next goes to third number. Write the total. Now come to this. 52 plus 18 plus 24. These are ones, these are tens. Same process. First adding ones. Take 2 fingers. 8 after 9, 10. 10 plus 4. Any idea? 10 plus 4. Very good. 14. Very good. 10 plus 4. 14. 10 plus 5. 15. 10 plus 8. 18. 10 plus 3. 13. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 7, 17. Very good. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 4, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is a 2-digit number. 4 right in the ones place. 1 carry to tens place. 1 carry to tens tens place, put a small circle. Now add 1, 5, 1, 2. Here we have 4 numbers. Start from here. 1 plus 5, 6. Very good. 6 plus 1, 7. Very good. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. Very good. What is the total? 94. 1 digit numbers, 3 lines. First line, second line, third line. 2 digit numbers, 3 lines. Without carrying, with carrying. With grouping, without grouping. Carrying number means we get 2 digit number. 1 digit, ones place number right in the ones place. Tens place number carry over and add 4 numbers. Can I show you one more example? Very good. Another example. 68 plus 14 plus 21. Come on. Adding ones fast. Adding ones numbers. Come on. 8 fingers. 4 after. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in the mind. 12 plus 1. Very good. 13 right side. Why? It is a 2 digit number. 3 right in the ones place. 1 carry to tens place. 1 carry to tens place. After this, you have to carry the number. First ones place number right in the ones place. After that, carry forward to tens place number to tens place. Now 1, 6, 1, 2, 4 numbers are there. 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 6, 7. Very good. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 9, 10. Now read the number 103. 3 digit number. We add in 2 digit numbers. We get 3 digit number. It is a total. Another. Next. You have to watch the video carefully and take your rough notes and practice additions. Single digit numbers 2 lines, 3 lines, 2 digit numbers. Without grouping means simple additions. With grouping means carrying additions. Carrying means we get in the ones place 2 digit number right side, ones number right in the ones place, tens number carry forward to tens place. Understood? Suppose see, if I given like this, how to add these numbers? 30 plus 25 plus 40. Tell me. First adding ones, correct? Come on. 0 plus 5 plus 0. 0 plus 5 plus 0. Yes, very good. Now tens. 3 plus 2 plus 4. Take 3 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the total? 95. Here concept goes to 0 plus number or number plus 0, same number. See? 0 plus 11 plus 0. What is the total? 0 na 11 na? 11. Very good. 17 plus 0 plus 1. Tell me. Yes. 17 plus 1. No need to add 0. Then plus 1 means next number. 17 after 18. Very good. 20 plus 30. How much? Here first you add numbers. 2 plus 3, 5. That means 2 tens and 3 tens. 2 tens and 3 tens make 5 tens. 2 tens and 3 tens make 5 tens. 5 tens means 50. That means 20 plus 30 goes to 50. Another example. 40 plus 40. How many tens? 4 tens and 4 tens. Very good, super. 4 tens and 4 tens make 8 tens. The total is 80. Okay children, practice in your rough notes and learn 2 to 7 tables and learn tables 2 to 7, and we continue in the next class verification of addition. Okay, thank you my dear children, take care, bye.